Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a background image behind your header on your Wix website. If you want to give your website a more personalized touch, maybe you want to showcase a brand image, or just make your site more visually appealing, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update that background image so your site stands out and looks polished. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to go to your Wix website design, so just log into your Wix account and open up the editor for the site you want to work on. I usually recommend double-checking that you're editing the right site if you're managing more than one. It's also a good idea to save your progress before making any changes, just to be on the safe side. Now, once you're in the Wix editor, find the page where you want to update the background image behind your header. You'll notice each page is listed on the left sidebar. Just select the one you want. Next, what you want to do is go to the canvas and right-click anywhere on the page's background. When you right-click, a menu will appear. From that menu, look for the option that says Change Background and give that a click. This is where things get interesting. A sidebar will open on the left with different options for setting your background. Wix provides a lot of built-in choices here. You'll see all sorts of images, colors, even video backgrounds. But if you want something unique or branded, you'll want to use an image from your own computer. To do that, look towards the top of this sidebar for a button called Upload Media. Go ahead and click that, then select Upload from Computer. Your File Explorer will pop up. Now just navigate to the folder where your background image is saved. A little tip here, high-resolution images tend to look best, but keep an eye on file size to make sure your site loads quickly. Once you found your image, click and open it. Now be patient with this part. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your image, the upload might take a few seconds. Don't worry if you have to wait a bit, that's perfectly normal. Once the image shows up in your Wix Media Library, click to select it. Now at the very bottom right of the sidebar, you'll see a button labeled Change Background. When you're ready, click that. Wix will automatically apply your image as the background for your selected page right behind the header. Take a quick look and make sure it looks the way you want. It's always helpful to preview the page just to be sure everything aligns and your header text stands out nicely. And that's it. You've just added a custom background image behind your header on Wix. This is such a simple way to give your website a whole new vibe, whether you're updating your portfolio, business site, or blog. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, maybe some issues with image sizing or layout, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials for making your website shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.